Harmattan dust hangs low over Ogbete Motor Park, Enugu, turning the morning light the color of rust. Conductors call destinations Nsukka, Onitsha, Port Harcourt over the diesel growl of buses loading across the road from the prison wall. Ebele crosses from the shops bordering the park, Naira notes folded in her fist, humming the tune from this morning's radio. Then she sees it. Her good Ankara fabric, 3 bales deep, buried under a stranger's folded wrapper. Nkiru's wrapper, placed there like a flag planted on stolen ground. Ebele's jaw tightens. Somewhere behind her, a trader murmurs, Okwa Ebele, Onye iwe ọkụ. That's Ebele, the quick-tempered one. The name arrives before she said a word. Her hand goes to the wrapper. She could fling it. She could shout the roll down. She has done it before, and everyone remembers. Instead, her fingers close slowly around the cloth. The paradox sits heavy in her chest. The angrier she feels, the more silent her body wants to become. She lifts the wrapper. She does not fling it. She turns towards Nkiru's stall. Before she can speak, Nkiru gets there. Gịnị mere iwe ji ewe gị? Why are you angry? Ndewo. No. I am Yvonne Mbanefo, heritage futurist and daughter of the soil. Welcome to Igbo Daily Drops, Episode 117, Week 24, Day 2. Today, anger as evidence, not explosion. Spoken aloud, a grievance belongs to the market to judge. Ka anyị bido. Let us begin. Ogbete never hushes, but the rhythm shifts. A grievance kept inside the chest is iwe dị n'obi, anger that is in the heart. It has no witness. It never left the body. Ebele doesn't wait. Ịkpasuru m iwe, she says. You made me angry. She points to the wrapper, not at Nkiru's face. She points at the wrapper, not at Nkiru's face. An old trader mutters that this calm is worse than her shouting. Today, 3 sentences, words precise enough for the market to judge your anger. Repeat after me. Sentence 1. Gịnị mere iwe ji ewe gị? In English, why are you angry? Gịnị mere iwe ji ewe gị? Gịnị mere iwe ji ewe gị? Gịnị mere iwe ji ewe gị? Nkiru asked it first. Sentence 2. Ịkpasuru m iwe. In English, you made me angry. Ịkpasuru m iwe. Ịkpasuru m iwe. Ịkpasuru m iwe. She names the cause. Sentence 3. Biko ewela iwe. In English, please don't be angry. Biko ewela iwe. Biko ewela iwe. Biko ewela iwe. Watch what it does next. These 3 sentences are in your free speaking workbook this week. Download it at learnigbonow.com. Mama Ejima crosses from the next row, wrapper hitched at her hip, and lays 2 fingers on Ebele's wrist. Biko ewela iwe, she says. Please don't be angry. Nkiru's shoulders drop first. Then slower. So do Ebele's. Nkiru gathers her wrapper off the fabric, unasked, and murmurs an apology nobody demanded. Ebele exhales, and the market exhales with her, the way it always does when a thing that could have broken, instead, only bent. What just happened is older than either woman. Ekwughị mere ọnụ. Anụghị mere ntị. Ekwughị mere ọnụ. Anụghị mere ntị. Unspoken, blame the mouth. Unheard, blame the ear. In Igbo markets, women settle disputes with speech, not silence. Dr. Immaculate Akimpelu Ayodele's 2023 Ibadan research on the Omu institution documents senior women, Nobodo, mother of the clan, who heard grievances before feud. The Icelandic Althing worked the same way. Silence isn't patience. It's a case with no witness. Before this day ends, say Biko ewela iwe to someone you love, not as an apology, as an offer. Not as apology, as offer. Unheard, blame the ear. Every sentence you learn is a drop, and every drop feeds Oke Osimiri Mmụta Igbo, the ocean of Igbo knowledge. Grab your free speaking workbook at learnigbonow.com. Rate us wherever you're listening. Your review is how another learner finds their way home. This has been your Igbo Daily Drop. Abụ nwanne gị nwanyị Yvonne Mbanefo. I am your sister Yvonne Mbanefo. Ka okwu gị bụrụ ihe na-edozi, ka ọ ghara ịbụ ihe na-emebi. May your words be the thing that mends, not the thing that breaks. Ka anyị hụ echi, until we meet again tomorrow.